What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Lucas from Content Fries, and today I have something very exciting to show you. Finally, this is it. This is subtitle animations, really super powerful, wonderful animations that you'll be able to make with Content Fries in just few mouse clicks. And finally, this is getting into shape, as you will be able to see. I think it is just mind blowing. I will keep some secrets here and there because it is not the right time to share everything what we are planning with you. But what I'm going to show you is really revolutionary, I think, and it will make content fries and regarding subtitle animations and stuff like that, which are the #1 requested feature in content fries in our community, 100 times better than what there is currently possible with subtitles in Content Fries 1.0. You can use presets, you can use that kind of stuff to make more dynamic subtitles, but that's not quite it is not to our standard of what we would like to offer to you to make really engaging and wonderful subtitles. So let me just jump right into it and show you, because I have something here that is currently working, and that you can see how powerful subtitles in Content Fries 2.0 are. So now I will play the video, and then we will rewind and I will explain what's basically happening, and then we will take a look at how something like this can be achieved in Content Fries. As you can see, it's just basically few mouse clicks. So let me play the video from the beginning, and let's just watch here in this section on the subtitles. And we will also take a look at animations and maybe some kind of video in video feature, and how you can apply subtitles for multiple video elements. So enjoy. Or bulk down. Okay, and here begins the second video. So let me pause it, and here this subtitle elements is the second. So as you can see, subtitles in this video that's here. So basically what I'm doing here is that I'm merging two videos together. How can I merge videos? How can I merge fries into one longer output? That was also one of often requested features, but it was not a huge priority. But the way the new context editor works is that you are able to natively merge videos together, as I am doing right here. So let me just zoom out the timeline, and as you can see here, I have one video with subtitles and with the headline. So let me rewind there. So basically, okay, this is the first part of the video. When I go here, as you can see, here is text animation. This text animation is on the top of the layers, so it overlays everything to create transition between those two videos. So let me go there and play it. So this is the text animation and its purpose is basically to create animated cool looking text transition to second video. And then we can play the video again. And here I have video that's 2.5 minutes or something like that, which has its own separate subtitles that I can take and give them completely different look than I gave to subtitles here, okay, to this video. So hopefully that makes sense. And let me just play the video for a while so you can see how subtitles in this second video look like. And then we will take a look at all the different options that you will be able to use regarding subtitle animations and stuff like that. As you can see, the current word in this subtitle is highlighted to yellow color it has this black, backdrop to it applied, but only if there is some subtitle active. Otherwise, there will be nothing. That's also something that people were asking about and asking for how to do that in Content Rise 1.0. There it is not possible. In this one, it's also supported natively. So it is so much better. So let me just play it so you can see this subtitle, style. File and do whatever you want with it. So that's not something that's mandatory or required to use. It's up to you if you will use this stuff or not. Okay, and as you can see the timings, I'm not sure if you can hear the video that's playing behind the scenes, this video right here. But the timing of individual words is not as it is in the video, and that's because the subtitles were imported from SRT file. These subtitles are not generated with the automatic generator, with the AI generator. And if you use AI generator, all words will appear exactly as you say them in the video. Otherwise, there is some stuff that calculates all the words, and it does a pretty good job, as you can see, but it's not as precise as the automatic subtitles generator. So just keep that in mind. You'll be able to write subtitles manually, import SRT or VTT file or whatever. So you are not forced to use automatic subtitles generator, but the automatic subtitles generator, on the other hand, will give you better timings, and so it might look better in the finalized video. And let's just play the video again. Then we have new trimmer and context editor. I will speak about this later. As you can see here, okay, let me go back. Here, no subtitle is active, so basically the subtitle padding and backdrop and everything disappeared. When we move forward, this is how the animation basically look like when you take a look at it from some kind of slot or something. And as you can see, we have something here that we have to resolve when we do something like this. Okay, so don't worry about that. And these are these animations. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. Now to recap, we have first video. This is the first one. It has its own headline, its own video, its own subtitles. Everything is custom. Okay, then we have the text transition to both of those video, and then we have this video with subtitles on its own. Okay, and that's basically it. That's how it works. And this is just some simple example of you will be able to create much more complicated and more in-depth stuff when you combine all of these and also add some kind of maybe GIFs or stickers into your scene. And then there will be also some assistants that will basically in one click improve your video, but I will not go in detail into this because that's top secret right now, but that will be mind-blowing as well. And now let's just take a look at subtitles and how you can customize them and how you can control the behavior of how subtitles look like. And let me, for example, choose these subtitles. And what I can do is, obviously, I can change the subtitles color, I can change the size, I can change stuff like that. I can also add maybe some shadow or for example, uppercase, all subtitles like this. So as you can see, it's super simple, nothing too crazy. As you can see, basically this is something that you were used to in the current version as well. But when I go to the container, or to the animations, here is when the magic begins. Okay, so what I can do is I can, for example, make my subtitles to cover all the video and apply some background if I want, and also add some background color. And let me set it to something like this and change the angle of the back. This is linear, back background. You know what I mean. I just don't have the right word for it in my vocabulary right now. And let me just decrease the opacity so we can see the video playing in the background to something like this. And now we have completely different looking subtitles.
What's up, Content Master Chef? This video
Okay.
is landscape. The previous one was portrait mode.
Okay, so you see what I'm trying to do right here. But in this case, I need to, have the background visible all the time, even if there is no active subtitles. So I just click this button right here, and let me rewind it one more time.
Content Master Chef, this video is
Okay.
landscape. The previous one was portrait mode.
And as you can see, I have now the background of the subtitles active all the time. And I can also click transparent background if I don't want to have any background. And then we will have subtitles like this. Okay, so as you can see, it's super easy to customize subtitles and basically just in a matter of seconds create completely different looking subtitles that have some really awesome animation to it. And when I go to animations tab, this is definitely something that a lot of you were desperately waiting for. And then we have this animations library, and we will add more and more different animations to this library as the time passes. And currently I can choose, for example, this one or this. The current is, I think, this one. And you can also see the preview here at the top. Then we can, for example, choose this one or this one that has also active color as the animation progresses. So let me switch it, for example, to this one and maybe customize color of the current word to red. Okay, and let's see what that does.
Content Master Chef, this video is
okay.
Landscape. The previous one was portrait mode, and we will also take a look at animations.
Okay, and one more time, also in this case, subtitles were imported from the SRT file because that's the fastest way currently to add subtitles to the 2.0 version. But definitely, as subtitles will be generated by the AI automatic generator, the timings will be exactly as the words appear in the video. Okay, and when I also change this duration, I'm not sure if it will work as expected in this preset, but let me try it. When I decrease it to the minimum value,
and maybe some kind of video feature, and how you can
this is how it does. It will basically show all the subtitles, then it will wait for the duration specified in this field. So in this case, it's 0.1 second, so that's 100 milliseconds or something like that. And then all words will disappear from the scene with some kind of out animation. Okay, so just watch. Now the animation will complete, the initial animation, and when I play the video, all words should disappear unless there is some, but we will see. As you saw, all subtitles basically disappeared because this duration is set to low value. When I increase it, it will not disappear basically. So let me just play it one more time.
And how you can apply subtitles for multiple video elements.
Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. This is just if you want to make subtitles even more dynamic or engaging, you can do that by controlling this duration value. But this is subject to change. Maybe we will, make it simpler or different, or who knows. So this is how it works right now. And these are the subtitles. And now, just for fun, let me see if we have something here. If you have any questions, just let me know. I will just have a look at your questions right now as I open the platform. So just a second. Okay, and it looks like we don't have any questions right now, but let me now take this video and reproduce everything that you saw. And there is one issue right now that should be resolved today, and that's when I'm playing the video and it goes to this one. As you can see, subtitles are not there. I just have to rewind and they will appear. So this is work in progress, so minor stuff to resolve. But let me go now back to the beginning and delete everything and show you how the process looks like from the beginning. And then let me know what you think about it, and if you have any ideas how to make it, maybe faster or simpler or more user friendly. We are all ears. Okay, so let me delete everything. Also, the way how different layers work or look in the layer section is subject to change. That's not the final version, but let me now go to upload and add this video. So now here we are starting, and you will see everything I just showed you is just a matter of seconds to create really great looking subtitle animations and transitions and stuff. So let me add, you know what, I will start a timer on my mobile just to make it more interesting. And let's just start. Okay, first step is that I will add a video and I will move it, for example, like this. Then I will go to the subtitles and I will choose the video and I will pick the useless subtitles because this video was already subtitled, so there is no need to import or generate subtitles one more time. Let me choose, for example, this appearance and confirm. Now I have the video in my project, also with the subtitles, but I don't like the blue background, so I will go to container and set transparent background and set subtitles to larger font size. Okay, I think this is much better. Now also I will decrease the duration to make subtitles not only appear in but also animate out of the scene. Now I will add a headline to my video. So there is a simple headline. So super awesome looking body and subtitles. Okay, why not? Let me add it like this. And what I really love about text containers and subtitles is this container tab where you can go and change the background and add a gradient to something like this, and then change the angle slightly, and then go back and also set subtitles to white color. And I think something like this look really great. And maybe I will change it to capitalize instead of, uppercase, add some shadow to it, maybe add some, emojis like this to make it just more engaging. Okay, super simple, easy. Now we have the first part completed. Now I will fast forward in the video and I will add the second video to the scene, and the one that I have already subtitled this is this one, so let me add it, and I will add it to the center and cover all the screen like this. There is some missing options, so in the final version this will also be simplified. Now I will go to subtitles one more time and click this stuff right here and also use last subtitles, and for this one I will use these subtitles right here. Okay, confirm. Now I have here, as you can see, there are green and not very what we want. So let me increase the font size or change it to something like this. Then I will go to container, and instead of this green color I will pick black color and decrease the opacity, so it will look something like this. And let me play it. Okay, great. And we are almost done. I will just move this slightly to the right and I will go to the text section and pick animated, maybe this one. And now to the second video. Okay, and maybe also some emoji. Okay, this one. Okay, so let me increase the duration so it overlays both of our videos. As you can see, it's increasing like this, and now I will play it. So let me see. Video elements, so enjoy. Now to the second video. Okay. Download, bulk export your pieces of content in a zip file and we are done. So it took me a few minutes, of basically 4.5 minutes, but I was explaining a lot. So if I was not explaining, I would be able to do something like this in maybe 100 seconds or something like that. Okay, so now this is the transition. This is the first video with first subtitles right here. Maybe this would be better if I move the video to the bottom, or maybe decrease its size and reposition, whatever, maybe something like this. Okay, and I think we have something really cool in a matter of seconds, basically, and we are basically done with some really fancy and wonderfully looking animations and stuff. And this is just the beginning. It will only get better. Okay, so that's why I'm super excited about this. And this is how it works in the current state of new context editor, which should be released in just few weeks. And this is what you will get with the new version of Content Fries. Okay, so I think this is really wonderful. So let me just play it one more time in case you joined later. So this is subtitle animations. So just have a look how it looks like. What's up, Content Master Chef? This video is landscape. The previous one was portrait mode. And we will also take a look at animations. Okay, so let me also apply a custom color for the current word to have it yellow like this. Okay. And maybe some kind of video feature. For some reason it was not activated, I think, on this preset. So let me. And maybe some kind of video okay, we will have to check why that happened. Apply subtitles for multiple video elements, so enjoy. But in the second, I think it should be, as you can see in this preset, the color highlighting is working. Maybe it's somehow in a conflict with this one, so maybe there is some glitch we just have to fix. But as I said, this is work in progress. This is not currently public. And these are really powerful and simple to use, I would say, subtitle animations. Okay, so as I said, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any ideas how to improve these, how to make it simpler, or maybe if you saw some cool looking animations, we should be able to really replicate any animation style in a matter of hours, basically to add it as a preset to Content Fries. Currently, there are 4 subtitle animation styles that you can apply. Our goal is to have dozens of them, and there is also 10 different animations for texts. And the way it works is that you can apply any of these animations to your text element, and also you can apply subtitle animations to your text element. But to subtitles, you can only apply these 4, and we will also add character animations, which will have also some super cool looking different visuals and stuff. Okay, so that's it from me today. Let me know what you think. I'm really super excited about this. I think every other week the Content Fridays showing all the progress that we made in the last 2 weeks is a great, time horizon to get many new things that I can show you. And I think this is close to release, so there is a lot of details that we have to polish and get rid of all unexpected behaviors and stuff, but then also update the visual of subtitles. But then we can release this, and we will also add to this the trimmer and the video editing features by using the text document. And I think that's a topic for some of the next episodes of Content Fridays. But what's important is that the trimmer and the content multiplying will work basically immediately. That means you will just, as you can see here, when I pick the text, I can use this generate headline, which is currently not hooked into this field, but I can use this button to generate a headline for me that will generate headline based on the subtitles or on some kind of prompt that I give to the AI, and it will generate a headline for me that I can have in my video. Okay, I mean this text right here. And there will be a button to, in case you upload long form content, it will analyze it. And basically, when we go to the AI tab, which is available to you, you can already try it, how it works. And it is this generate fries model, where you just paste long form transcription, and it will basically use this behind the scenes, and it will create few dozens of fries from your long form content directly in the new context editor, and the process will be almost immediate, meaning there is no generation necessary. Currently, when you use the current version of Content Fries, you use this basically trimmer. You go here, you manually or by using this text editor create all fries, and one after another you pick all the context and stuff, and then you click generate. Then you just have to wait to generate all the fries for you, which will be here. In the new version, this process will be immediate. There will be no need to time for the generation to complete, because it will work basically different. It's rewritten from scratch, from the ground up, and we just found a way to not wait for the generation process to complete. So that will also save you so much time. And that's a topic for a next episode of some of the next episodes of Content Fridays, because we have also many new ideas and improvements that will get to the aspect of content multiplying. Okay, I think it will be revolutionary. So that's just my assumption. Hopefully it will get true. So that's all from me. Thank you very much for being awesome, being patient and stuff. I know that it takes a lot of time to deliver all of these, but we are building all of these features from the ground up. And sometimes we just break beta version, altogether, so, because this version right here receives updates really very frequently, and sometimes it just happens there is something that's breaking this, and that's why the current version of Contentfry, the 1.0, is stable, and this is more of an experimental beta version, which you are free to use and play with it as you want, but sometimes there are just some issues with it, which will get resolved as we release the new version of Context Editor. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. Thank you very much. If in case you joined later and you did not saw all the awesome, subtitle animations and stuff, let me just play them, and then we will say goodbye. Okay. We have something that's preventing us from loading the video for some reason. And it okay, here it is.
Export your pieces of content in a zip file. Export your pieces of content in a zip file.
Okay.
And do whatever you want with it. So that's not something that's mandatory.
Okay, so that's it from me, and peace out. I will see you in the next episode of Content Fridays.